Saturday to Sunday, different taste of days of days. Oh, oh, oh. Saturday, many people to celebrate in the funeral way. Saturday, many people to celebrate in the funeral day. Oh, many people to cry. Many people to cry. Many people to cry. Cry, 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 cry. Sunday morning, many people to rush into the church room to pray to God. I say Sunday morning, many people to rush into the church room to pray to God. Right. From Monday to Friday, you have opportunity to do your work, you spragging. I know every day. I'm trying my life to be changed, my life to go the pastor world. Oh, Christians people to suffer. I don't know. The Christians people to suffer. I don't understand my things. Why? For 24 hours you pray to God, you don't get any answer. Why? I say 24 hours, Christians people to play. Why? You don't have anything. You can see the Christians people to suffer with. You don't do the right thing. Now when the God will reject you. I say you don't do the right thing. That when God will reject you. But you suffer for your life. You pray for the 24 hours. Every day you stay for the church room. Why? I know I'm changed my life. I'm follow God. I believe the God thinks of me. The God be changing my destiny.